Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to a super duper video for motorhome retrofits. So today I've been doing some work, not to say that I don't do any work because I'm always really busy in there, but I have had to get involved, and whilst Rich has been working on other parts of this vehicle, I've been fitting the 5G Smart Compact Pro Wi-Fi system. Now, because of the 2025 vehicle that we've been working on, which is the Adria Supreme, this particular customer said, I don't want a white antenna, I want black. I want it to look in keeping with the rest of the vehicle. So join me up on the roof and I'll show you what I've been doing. So with all of our Wi-Fi installs, the setup is pretty much the same unless you've got a coach-built vehicle as opposed to a converted van with a sliding door, because of course the coach-built has a nice smooth surface. Now this one is slightly different because in the vehicle and on the roof there were no other locations for us to fit the antenna. So we've had to, as the slight curve heads up into the front area of the living section, this is where we've had to put the Wi-Fi antenna. Now you'll see on the inside when we do that part of the video that we've emptied out a cupboard above the long fridge freezer. That means that we can gain access to the inside of here and also where the electrics are to give us power. To be honest, there weren't really many other places, and it's all in the same sort of control board area. Once we've drilled through the roof, we've then sealed it up with Sikaflex all around the hole. There's a double-sided sticky pad on here which then allows the antenna to go down, and then on the inside you've got the thread with a large wing nut, and the wing nut is then done up with a socket and then screwed in place so that it can't come undone, and this will never let water in. So now this is black 5G Wi-Fi antenna, harvesting as much signal as it can do on the basis that the SIM card that you've got in there is the network area that you're in, and then this connects beautifully to the 5G unlocked router inside. So join me inside and I'll show you that. So the layout of this vehicle, although uber modern, doesn't really lend itself to the Wi-Fi being fitted in too many areas. The joy with what we do is that we see so many different makes and models and ages and values. So this is a nice, expensive, Mercedes-based, brand new vehicle. You know, you can see all the muted colours in here. They've gone for a real clean modern design, which to be honest I quite like. What you can do is you can then make it your own with stuff from where you've been and other bits and pieces, i.e. some cushions and other bits and pieces, but that's just my personal preference. Other people would look at this motorhome and say, yeah, a bit too bland for me, not my cup of tea, but then that's fine. Also things like the layout. I mean, the layout here, you've got your rear double single bed that you can pull out and make into a double bed, which is quite handy. You've got a separate toilet separate toilet sink, and on the left hand side you've got a shower. That then can be sectioned off so you've got privacy as well. So this is now just your eating and living area, and then you've got a really nice big double or triple burner stove set up here, which is incredibly handy. So gas, you've got your sink, you've got your drainer, and you've got your oven and grill and loads of other storage. To be honest, we've worked on quite a few of these Adrias. If you do follow us on social media or are a regular watcher of our YouTube videos, then you'll see that we've done quite a few of these new Adria motorhomes for our 360 system and Wi-Fi and loads of other bits and pieces. So obviously stay tuned, or do check out our back catalogue of videos. Now, going back to the video in hand, which is this one, we're now stood by the habitation door. So this is where the fridge freezer is that I was telling you about, and that means that this is probably the only area or location in this vehicle where we had access to the roof without it looking ugly. So the Wi-Fi system itself is then really neatly hidden inside here. So what I'll do is I'll step back and let Sammy come in here. Let me just turn the screen on. Okay, so hopefully there's enough light for you to see in here. This is the problem with these motorhomes, the little cubby holes and whatnot. You'll see here, this is where the antenna has been neatly installed, coming in through the roof and then done up. What we've done then is use a couple of P-clips to hide the cabling, again nice and neatly in through there. And then we fitted our Wi-Fi router high up on this left-hand side. And the reason why we've done that is because this customer uses this cupboard for coffee machine, toaster, chopping boards and other such stuff. And what we don't want to do is have something too low that's going to then knock it off of its magnetic mount or scratch the screen. So we've gone high. Plus actually he's quite tall, so it's not really an issue for him to access it. But it's one of the things that you'll get anyway with us as part of the service, is we will always discuss with you where we're putting it and why we're putting it and everything else. So, you know, if it's somewhere you want specifically, we can cater for your needs. So this is the Smart Compact Pro. It's the 5G Wi-Fi system, and it works on 5 and 2.5, so that if you've got mobile devices and or you've got more sort of say a laptop or other devices that work on a different frequency, you cater for both. The router is unlocked, so you don't need to worry about it being SIM locked to a certain network. And if you're lucky enough to be able to afford a multi-network SIM, then even better, because it means that you've got the best of all the worlds when you're out and about, whether you're here or in Europe. So this is motorhome Wi-Fi in this 2025 Adria. If you've been thinking about this, not sure where to go, what product to have or anything else, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. Just chuck us over a contact form. We can help and advise, but hopefully our videos will show you that we are the right company to do business with, because we're very fastidious about what we do. We do care about each and every vehicle that comes to us, as hopefully you can see during our installations. And as usual guys, thank you very much for watching.